Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Ranger window crank. First, you'll need a few simple tools, such as a thin rag or a dedicated window crank removal tool. Begin by carefully prying the trim panel around the handle if present. Next, you need to locate the small retaining clip that secures the crank to its shaft. This clip is often hidden, so a good light source helps. Once you have your tool ready, gently slide a thin rag or the specialized removal tool between the window crank handle and the door panel. Work the rag or tool around the base of the handle. The goal is to snag the retaining clip, which is usually a small C-shaped or U-shaped metal piece. With a bit of wiggling, the clip should pop out, releasing the handle. With the retaining clip successfully removed, the window crank handle should now slide straight off the spline shaft. Take a moment to observe its orientation. This will make reinstallation much simpler if you're putting the same handle back. If you're replacing it, ensure the new crank aligns correctly. Before installing, it's a good idea to clean any accumulated dirt or debris from the shaft. To reinstall, simply align the window crank handle with the spline shaft and push it firmly into place. Then, carefully reinsert the retaining clip, ensuring it snaps securely into its groove to hold the handle. This process is straightforward, allowing for easy repairs or upgrades. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home setup. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.